Everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there with my YouTube channel Best Inspiration Kitchen. Welcome to Healthy Breakfast with Up there. And in this episode I'm gonna show you how to prepare a simple, healthy, rich muesli using just Goji berries, which are really rich, which are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, zinc, antioxidants. And everyone should know that antioxidants are really good for your eyes and your skin. And I'm gonna mix it with chia seeds, which is really high in protein and fiber. So we will mix these two ingredients without to prepare a healthy, a rich, a simple muesli. So let's do it. Let's start our recipe. It's really easy. So I will need oat seeds, just for one person. It's okay, just for me. I'm gonna use these chia seeds, which are really good and rich in protein, as I told you, and fiber. Just everything is dry, you can use it with your hands, mix it like that. Perfect. Then I will add some Goji berries, as I told you. Perfect, like that, to give it the color. Now time to use milk. Add milk. So here, if you are lactose free, you can use another milk. Here is low fat one. You can use almond milk, soya milk, as you like. Perfect. Just cover it like that and keep it in your fridge for overnight or 5 hours at least. At this time you can choose another fruit if you want to add some fresh fruit. Today I'm gonna choose banana, but you can choose as you like fruit. So I will need just a half banana. Now, as I told you, I'm gonna add just a half banana, like that. Here. Really, it's a very simple breakfast. You will really love it. Just like that. Easy, as you see, to have a very healthy, rich breakfast, as I told you. Perfect, healthy, energetic and simple muesli. You will really love it. Try it at home and give me feedback. I'm waiting for your feedback. See you next time. Another video, another recipe, and now I'm gonna get my breakfast.